Hi, I'm Yaniv, CEO of Panoply. Panoply is the world's only smart data warehouse for BI. It's smart because it has a layer of machine learning algorithms incorporated into the architecture, which basically enable it to learn and optimize the entire data management process towards BI and take IT out of the loop. So today I'm going to tell you about a multi-billion-dollar problem that you probably deal with every day, but you do not really know exists. Because up till a couple of years ago, no one really questioned the data management process of the analytical data lifecycle. And the reason no one really questioned it is because it's an extremely complex process. And extremely complex processes tend to have extremely complex technology challenges. So in the past 4 decades, this process has basically stayed the same. And today, this archaic manual process costs us billions in direct and indirect costs. So if you're a data-driven company, your data lifecycle or analytical data lifecycle looks something like this. It's comprised of 3 main blocks of technologies and processes. First, you ingest data from multiple data sources into some sort of central depository. You then cast some data logic onto it, and then continuously optimize for performance and cost. Now, this process doesn't really change whether you're a 3-day-old startup or an enterprise organization. It can get a bit more complicated if you have multiple layers of logic inside the storage compartments. You could have different data marts for different departments in the organization or sandbox environments for your data scientists, but generally the overall process stays the same. Now, the inherent complexity in this process is what makes it unscalable today in the big data age. It's unscalable basically by design, which is the main cause of the data management problem. In its core essence, the data management problem exists because there are 2 main stakeholders inside one critical path in every organization. 2 main stakeholders in charge of one critical path, the first one being IT in charge of the first 2 blocks, the ingestion data management, basically the world of DBAs, and the second one being BI. So 2 main stakeholders in charge of one critical path with different goals and different agendas on top of this overall complexity. We in the tech world have been treating this problem generally as an IT problem, although the general process is a BI process, because we are facilitating data for the actual extractors of value inside the organization, being BI. But we've been building AWS and Google Cloud and Azure solutions for IT to facilitate this problem, while it has actually been a BI problem. Basically sanctifying this inefficiency in the process. And today, this inefficiency is around 80%. So organizations who use data scientists who are data-driven actually get 2 months of value out of a data scientist's year. Most of it is spent around data cleansing, and today, approximately only a third of organizations that are data-driven actually claim that they get some sort of value out of their data-driven approach. While most organizations, over 90%, claim that they realize the potential of data, only approximately 50% of them have actually done some sort of implementation because of this complexity. Now, the opportunity is huge. There's a $200 million market born every year in the United States alone out of VC-backed startups, and there's a $12 billion existing market which is uncatered in SMB and mid-market organizations. It's uncatered because these are exactly the type of organizations that need a streamlined solution to one stakeholder without the general complexity of these processes. So today, machine learning enables us to do exactly that. Panoply is a smart data warehouse. It's a smart data warehouse for BI. It's smart because it has that layer of machine learning algorithms that automate these manual processes. They basically mimic the work of the DBAs and streamline the entire process to BI. So this petabyte scale data warehouse is ETL-less. There are no ETL processes you need to maintain. It's serverless. It's fully managed and continuously optimized. So we're not stopping at that. We're looking to make this product a self-serve solution. Today, 70% of our customers are actually self-serve, so they complete the entire data management process from ingestion to querying without going through us, without talking to our sales reps and so on. And this is extremely interesting because 73% of our clients are actually what you would call non-IT clients. We launched the product into closed beta and general availability in 2017. We've seen great growth, and we're looking to quadruple that in 2018. And this is facilitated by the self-serve approach and by our extremely efficient and short sales cycle, which today is approximately 20 days. We have our customers are vary from different size organizations, different industries, from small startups to Fortune 500s. These companies have different types of challenges, whether it's expertise, archaic data architecture, and so on. But the overall umbrella, the overarching commonality in the challenges is that they have data somewhere. They need to analyze it somehow, and there's some sort of void in the middle that's stopping them from doing this. And Panoply is their select and connect solution to facilitate this challenge. Approximately 2 weeks ago, Tableau released a 6-month POC study that they did over Panoply, comparing Panoply to a vanilla Redshift with Kimberly-Clark. Basically, what they showed, and this is available on our site and on the Tableau site, is that over a 2-week period, regardless of the batch size or query types, there was an 85% dashboard runtime decrease compared to a vanilla Redshift. Kimberly-Clark claimed that just in one report, their ROI was over $250,000. And the incredible part about this is that all this was done without any use of IT. So it's only the analyst analyzing the data using Tableau, and over a 2-week period of time, an 85% dashboard runtime decrease. So we launched the product in 2017. We've been selling it for about a year, and where are we in terms of our accomplishments to accomplish our mission to bring the time from data to insights to as close as possible to none. So we're the #1 rated data warehouse on G2 Crowd for simplicity and high performance. We've launched over 6,000 ETLs data sources that ran over 2 million times, over 4,000 databases, and the most important part, 73% of our clients, 73% are what you would call non-IT buyers, basically on the BI side, which basically means that we're accomplishing our mission, we're facilitating this IT monopolized technology to BI, to the business users. Thank you.